Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you are new here, hello again, my name is Svia and today I'm telling you the story why I sold my Fendi bag, and if you're interested, stay here and let's start. I want to tell you the story why I bought it and why I kept it for so long time and finally decided to sell it. So, I was keeping this bag for almost 3 years. I was interested in collection different brands, and Fendi is one of my most favorite brands. And yeah, you see, this is the sweater from the Spring-Summer collection 2017. And I was kind of obsessed with this brand chic. And yeah, I was also trying to experiment with different styles of bag, and I was trying to find out which bag suits me better. And yeah, during that time I bought this Fendi bag, and as you see, this is the vintage series. I guess it was from 70s or 80s, and it's called Zucker bag. Interesting name for bag, and it has kind of clutchy envelope style, and this is not my cup of tea. I didn't really enjoy it, and maybe for some of the person is enjoying this style, and I don't really like it, and I kept it for so long time for maybe different occasions, but it never happened, and I tried to restore it and to make it look better, because you see different rips and tears, not the best quality of the bag. I was trying to restore it and make it better, but it never happened, and I tried to sell it. And if you are looking for this kind of clutchy Fendi vintage series, it goes up to $300 or even higher. That's why I tried to sell it. It's not my style and form and the quality. So, and even the bizarre thing is the strap. It's so long, I don't really even imagine how you should be tall for wearing it. It looks really strange, but maybe for those times it was kind of cool, who knows. And yeah, I tried to sell my bag, and one man contacted me. He's experienced buyer in restoring such goods, and I thought if he could do something better with this bag, I'm not regretting it, and it was really interesting experience for me for trying and styling this bag. But I hope this bag will find another happy buyer. And yeah, this is my experience, and oh yeah, I forgot to mention it. It has also the serial number, that it's authentic, it's not fake, and it has legit numbers, and yeah, it's not fake. Tell me in the comments below, have you such vintage series? Do you enjoy it? How often do you wear? And it will be interesting to know. So thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!